Hey guys, today's video is how to bake a cake in microwave convection oven. This is a simple 5 minutes eggless coffee cake. You will learn how to use a microwave and bake a cake. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons curd, half teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vinegar, half a cup of milk. Mix them well and set aside while we start making our wet mixture. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any neutral or vegetable oil of your choice. To this, sift almost 1 cup of powdered sugar. This is not exactly 1 cup but 2 tablespoons less. Now sift the powdered sugar into the oil. Add a teaspoon of coffee powder. You can add this with milk or directly add it here. Whisk this well until the ingredients are well combined and almost doubles the size. This is an important step to incorporate as much air as possible into the batter. Now, in a sieve, add about 1 plus 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk powder, a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now sift them well into the wet mixture. To this, add the prepared curd and milk mixture. Now, using a whisk, very lightly combine the wet and dry ingredients. Do not overmix at this stage as it will knock out all the air. Now switch to a spatula and ensure everything is well combined. Take a microwave safe bowl and grease it with some oil. Ensure you coat the sides and bottom well. Place a parchment paper and grease lightly on top. Transfer the prepared cake batter into the greased cake tin. Ensure that the cake tin or bowl you are using is microwave safe and do not use aluminium. Tap to remove any excess air bubbles and ensure it's only halfway filled. Note, there is no need to preheat your microwave. Just open the glass door, place the bowl, set the timer to 5 minutes and click on start. Depending on your microwave, your cake might take more or less time, so ensure to check at 4 minutes once. Our delicious coffee cake is risen beautifully and it looks very soft and fluffy. Let this cool in the bowl for 5 minutes and then transfer it to a plate. Let's move on to making the buttercream frosting. For this, add about 100 grams of softened butter. Beat them well until they are soft and fluffy. Ensure that the butter is neither cold nor melted. It should just be soft. To this, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Sift them in to remove any lumps. Continue to whisk this until the butter turns pale white and doubles in size. Add 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate. Ensure that your chocolate is completely melted and there are no chunks, as there were few chunks in my chocolate and the chocolate chunks got stuck in the nozzle while piping the buttercream. Once this is turned into soft peak consistency, transfer this into a piping bag placed with nozzle. Now you can decorate this however you like to. My chocolate chunks were stuck in the nozzle, hence the design looked a little wavy and not appealing. Since we are making this cake using the heating mode in the microwave, the cake might turn slightly hard when it is left at room temperature, so ensure to reheat it whenever you are consuming. And our delicious eggless cake using microwave is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.